Hi there. Adobe Experience Platform ingests data from a wide variety of sources. A major challenge for marketers is making sense of this data to gain insights about their customers. In this video, let's get a quick overview of how query service helps brands to connect the online to offline customer journey and understand omnichannel attribution. We will also cover some of the common use cases for query service in Adobe Experience Platform. Today, we are in a place where experiences are everything we do across physical and digital channels. Take an example such as going on a holiday. Now the experience begins when you first start planning for a vacation, choosing the right location, right offers for travel, getting the best deal for your dream resort, to finding the right tours. All of that is now part of the experience. Experience has evolved from making a discrete event delightful to making an entire journey engaging and compelling. For brands, the big question is around how do you deliver that level of experiences. But what is the secret sauce to deliver customer experiences that exceed their expectations during every point of their journey? There are 3 steps to create relevant, satisfying, and valued experiences. First, it starts with measuring customer engagement. Measuring, understanding, and analyzing customer journeys allows you to gain a holistic view of your customers and the context behind their every action. Second, discover unique, high-value audiences. You cannot duplicate your best customers, but you can find more like them. You need to uncover these audiences before your competitors do. The key lies in using your current customer data to locate others with similar attributes. Lastly, you need to deliver seamless one-to-one personalized experiences across touchpoints. What you need is an experience architecture that makes the right insights available at the right time to make the right decisions. So what are the issues with generic cloud data platforms? When we talk about experience architecture, there are 2 systems, the operational or the left brain and the analytical or the right brain. In order to shape customer experiences in real time or near real time, brands need access to unified customer view. This unified customer view resides in the operational system and supports low latency access patterns. For example, mobile applications or kiosks need quick access to unified customer view data to make personalization decisions in milliseconds. Analytical systems, on the other hand, it is totally a different kind of data scale scenario. The objective is to analyze large amounts of data to perform advanced analytics and to train machine learning models. Trying to use an operational scale system that is designed for low latency against an ML workload would not scale because you cannot get access to large amounts of data in a reasonable time. Instead, analytics workloads requires a different access pattern. They are typically housed in a data lake or a data warehouse. But having 2 separate systems creates a lot of challenges. Adobe Experience Platform is built from ground up to be an operational and analytical system. Whether you want to access and use data for operational or analytical use cases, it is just a matter of configuration. That being said, Experience Platform is not here to replace your data warehouse unless you want to. We are creating a fast, symbiotic, complementary relationship between operational and analytical use cases. From a packaging standpoint, there are 3 flavors of Adobe Experience Platform that you can buy. Collection: trusted, robust, and most complete streaming data infrastructure that helps simplify customer experience data collection and streamline its delivery. Intelligence: Adobe Experience Platform ingests data from a wide variety of sources. Adobe Experience Platform Query Service allows you to use standard SQL to query data in platform, helping marketers better understand their customers. Activation allows brands to create a complete customer profile using both behavioral and attribute data from any data source to be used across each organization within the enterprise. At a high level, there are 4 capability groups under the Experience Platform Intelligence umbrella. The first is SQL exploration and preparation, which captures the ability provided to bring customer experience data into one place for analysis, exploration, and experimentation using ANSI SQL and for persisting the derived dataset into data lake. The second capability group captures the capabilities we provide to seamlessly create and visualize key customer metrics within Experience Platform and share these insights with key business decision makers. Adobe Experience Platform supports third-party integration that allows access to data stored in Experience Platform for dashboarding and reporting. The third capability is bring or build and operationalize your own model which captures the AI or machine learning tools, assets, pre-built templates, and frameworks that support the rapid development, training, and tuning of machine learning models with a very key functionality for customers to be able to bring their existing machine learning models and operationalize those models on top of the rich omni-channel data in platform. The fourth is AI or machine learning driven insights for personalization via profile enrichment, which are capabilities for applying insights derived from the operationalized machine learning workflows to include activation workflows in Adobe and non-Adobe destinations. Here are some of the high-level use cases where a customer will start to use Adobe Experience Platform Intelligence. With SQL Explorer, you can run ad hoc SQL queries against raw customer data as soon as it lands in Adobe Experience Platform for omni-channel analysis. It is typically used for verification, exploration, and experimentation of experience events, leveraging the native SQL query editor or third-party SQL tool of choice. Adobe-defined functions are pre-built functions in Adobe Experience Platform Query Service that help perform common business-related tasks on experience event data. These include functions for sessionization and attribution like those found in Adobe Analytics. Adobe Experience Platform Query Service provides several built-in Spark SQL functions to extend SQL functionality. Check out the documentation for Spark SQL functions that are supported by Query Service. PostgreSQL is a command line interface that comes installed when you install PostgreSQL on your machine. You can use any PostgreSQL compliant tool to access Experience Platform datasets and perform data exploration. You are ultimately able to experiment and validate data quickly before operationalizing that data in Customer Journey Analytics or in a dashboard available in Adobe Experience Platform. With the SQL preparation, you can quickly prepare experience data for downstream analytical consumption in Adobe Customer Journey Analytics, Data Science Workspace, and BI dashboards with the ability to schedule, manage, and monitor SQL preparation jobs on large petabyte scale datasets using UI or API. Adobe Experience Platform allows third-party applications that uses PostgreSQL protocol to connect to Query Service. This integration helps marketers to create and view a visualized representation of customer data in their favorite business intelligence tool to make useful decisions based off it. Adobe Experience Platform Query Service facilitates that by allowing you to use standard SQL to query data in platform. Adobe Experience Platform Query Service facilitates that by allowing you to use standard SQL to query data in platform.